So just a little bit about who we are. So simply put, our value proposition is that we offer better coverage at a lower price. Now, typically with insurance, that should raise some red flags. That's not how insurance works. If someone's saying, I'm gonna give you better coverage, but it's also a lower cost, you should kind of think and ask some questions, right? Because if somebody's pulling back on the price, that means you have to also pull back on the benefits. So why that's not the case with what we're doing here is that we've created our own risk pool. So it's very similar to the way auto insurance works. We all understand how auto insurance works. If you have a clean driving record and I have 3 accidents and a DUI, which I don't, right? I'm obviously gonna be paying more for my auto insurance than you are for yours because you're a low risk to the insurance company. Same idea here. What we're doing is we're pulling together people who on average, they don't make more than $5,000 worth of claims in a given year, right? So year after year, when you have an insurance company that's not having to pay out a high amount of claims the way they are in the Obamacare market, and they're not giving away a bunch of free insurance the way they are in the Obamacare market, what we can do is keep the cost of their insurance low while still keeping the quality of the benefits high. So simply what we're doing is we're offering employer style benefits without having to actually go through an employer. So you have to think back before the ACA, the Affordable Care Act, public insurance, Obamacare, they're all the same thing. You gotta think back before that came about, right? So back before Obamacare, there were really only 2 ways that you could get health insurance. You could either get it through a private insurance company like ours or through an employer. Now, the issue that people ran into is that if I was a self-employed person with diabetes, for example, which was deemed a pre-existing condition, at that point, I had no employer coverage and a private insurance company would not insure me because I had a pre-existing condition. So Obamacare came about to offer people with pre-existing conditions opportunities for health insurance, which is obviously a good reason, right? Number 2, Obamacare is an income-based market, meaning that you can qualify for financial assistance or lower cost insurance based off your income. So again, if I was a self-employed person with a lower level of income and I couldn't afford private insurance, I had no employer coverage, at that point I had no opportunities for health insurance. So the ACA or the Affordable Care Act came about to offer people, again, with lower incomes opportunities for health insurance. So who do you guys think signed up? We had people who were either lower income or using the insurance in a very high amount. So in turn, what that did was drive up the cost of full price Obamacare. So now at this point, if I was a person who made a high level of income and I didn't really go to the doctor too often, meaning I was healthy and didn't really use my insurance, I was paying a lot of money for subpar coverage, right? So that's where we come in, is that we offer people who don't qualify from the ACA marketplace, meaning that they make too much money and they don't really use their insurance a high amount. We offer those people opportunities for affordable health coverage, right? It breaks out to, but not being limited to, self-employed people. So think realtors, doctors, lawyers, mortgage brokers, realtors, landscapers, truckers, hairdressers, anybody who makes a good level of income themselves and does not benefit, again, from Obamacare. That's really where we can help and assist and come in. That's our need.